Good day everyone, this is Muhammad Ali Sultan and welcome back to Sir Zen's channel. Okay, let us solve some mathematics problem about discount. Number 12. Maria bought a dress that originally cost $1,200. The store offered a 25% discount. How much did Maria pay for the dress after the discount? Letter A, $950. Letter B, $900. Letter C, $925. Letter D, $850. Okay, so before tayo mag-start, alamin muna natin yung mga given sa ating STEM. We have originally cost na $1,200 or yung tinatawag nating original price. And meron din tayo ditong rate ng ating discount na 25%. Tapos, ang tinatanong is ilan nga ba yung babayaran ni Maria after mabawasan ng 25% yung original price or original cost. Okay? So, isulat muna natin yung ating mga given. Okay, we have original price or original cost na $1,200. Mayroon din tayong given na discount that is 25%. So, napakadali lang ito. Isulat lang natin yung $1,200 tapos i-minus natin sa product ng ating $1,200 at saka ng 25%. Kumbaga, ganito siya. So, 1,200 minus 1,200 multiplied by 25%. So, kunin muna natin yung ating discounted amount. So, i-copy lang natin yung 1,200 minus, tapos, depende sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo gamitin dito. So, sa akin, ginamit ko is divided, yung 25%, ginawa ko siyang fraction form. Para mas papadali sa akin mag-cancel out. Kasi mayroon tayo ditong dalawang 0, mayroon din ditong dalawang 0. Okay? So, ginawa ko dyan, gi-cancel ko lang yan sila. Okay? So, we have 1,200 minus 12 multiplied by 25. Kasi nga, gi-cancel ko yung dalawang 0 sa 1,200 at saka yung denominator na 100. Okay? So, i-multiply lang natin yan. We have 300. Okay. So, 1,200 minus 300. So, kapag i-multiply natin yan, makukuha natin yung binayaran ni Maria. Okay? So, ang binayaran ni Maria is $900. So, after nabawasan ng 25% yung original price na 1,200, ang binayaran lang niya is $900. Ibig sabihin, ang ating sagot is $900. That is letter B. Follow for more.